In today's rapidly evolving business landscape, the adoption of remote work has become increasingly prevalent. Creating a well-defined remote work policy is essential for businesses to effectively manage their remote workforce and ensure a successful transition to this flexible work arrangement. Establishing clear eligibility criteria is crucial to ensure that remote work is suitable for certain roles and individuals within the organization. The policy should outline the requirements and expectations for remote workers, such as job responsibilities, performance metrics, and technical capabilities. Remote work policies offer numerous benefits for businesses. They can enhance employee satisfaction and well-being by providing greater flexibility, work-life balance, and autonomy. Moreover, remote work can lead to cost savings for businesses, such as reduced expenses on office space, utilities, and equipment. Remote work also comes with certain challenges that need to be addressed. Cybersecurity risks increase as employees work from various locations, making it essential to implement robust security measures. Communication barriers can arise due to the lack of face-to-face interactions, requiring businesses to establish clear communication channels and protocols. To successfully implement remote work, businesses should create a tailored policy that aligns with their specific needs and industry requirements. This policy should clearly define expectations, guidelines, and support mechanisms for remote workers. By embracing remote work and addressing its challenges, businesses can unlock its full potential to enhance productivity, boost employee morale, and drive business growth.